Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone error when you try to install the game. So here, first thing to do, you need to know what is ISDone error. So ISDone dynamic link library and unarc dynamic link library error is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. So large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. So if your PC ROMs and hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So you can increase Windows page file or virtual memory by click on Windows and R, or by press Windows button and R button in order to open this run. So you can type sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Now system properties will show up. Click advanced, click performance settings, click advanced again and click change. Untick this box, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And here you can click on custom size to fill this initial size and maximum size. So 403,000 is enough, so not the values are megabytes, so this set up maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. So I already have currently my allocated Windows is 2.2 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.